Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Tubble, and today we'll be going through how to edit an image through Google Docs. This guide will go over the multiple ways to edit an image through Google Docs. The first thing you'll need to do is find an image to use. I would recommend searching for what you want to look for through Google Images, and copying the image. This looks like the one we want, so we will right-click with our mouse, and we will click Copy Image. After that, we can go back to our document, where we can go to this line and we can click Paste, and the image will appear. If the image is not drawn to scale, do not worry. If you left-click the image, we can see that there is blue squares all around the corners, and the side of the image, and a circle on the top. The circle allows us to rotate the image at any angle we desire, so we can have it at an angle like this. Try it like that. If we wanted to, we could have it upside down. Just takes a little bit of precision. Let's rotate that back. The squares allows us to rescale the image to make it larger or shorter. So if we squeeze it in like this, we can make the image shorter. If we bring it out, it can make it larger. If you mess around with these sides, if you mess around with the top and the bottom ones, if you squeeze it in, it'll make the image shorter. Or if you expand it out, it'll make it larger. And then finally with the left sides, if you squeeze it in, it'll make it thinner. And if you bring it out, it will make it wider. Now, what do we do if there's something we do not want in the picture? Let's say this hand. What we can do is right-click the image and click the point where it says Crop Image. You will now see black lines and angles around the image in the same spaces as the blue squares. You can move them just as you did with the blue squares. For example, I can move this in like this. You can, when you leave the line at a point, it will save and crop to that point. Clicking out of the image will save our results. So trying it with this hand, we can move this line past the hand. And let's say we want to move this a little bit too. So we just have our face. You can see now we have our borders right here. And anything that is outside of these borders will be removed from the image. So let's move it right here, and when we click out, it will save our progress. Finally, if there's any further editing that needs to be done, it can be done through right-clicking the image once more. And we can see this option right here called Image Options. First, we can recolor the image. Let's say we wanted to make this image red. Simply click this bar, and you can change it to any color you desire. Let's say for this circumstance, red. Now the entire image is red. You can try it with purple, even green. But let's fix that for now so we can check out our final options, which can be found in this bar right here titled Adjustments. Here you can mess with the opacity by clicking this ball on the bar and sliding it through. As we can see, the image is becoming clear, and at the very back we can see that it is just as white as the document. Let's key it back to 100%. You can also mess with the brightness, which can make the image brighter or not as bright, darker. And finally, you can mess with the contrast. Bringing it down will further make the image darker, or if you bring it up, it can make something a little more detailed like this. And that is how you edit images through Google Documents. I hope this was helpful for you. Have a great day.